Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
At the college programs, Natrupa Maharaj and I have been giving a lot of classes on Varnashram Dharma. Because they always want to hear something about the Hindu caste system. So they'll take us on that basis. And then we speak about Varnashram Dharma. And they don't have any idea to defeat it. They always, some little weak argument. But they don't have any better system.
What is their argument?
Hardly. They have some idea. They'll argue that there's no social mobility because they'll have some bodily idea that caste by birth.
No, that is not the fact.
No.
The qualification.
When we present the real idea, then they're just sitting there. They have no argument. And then we challenge their system that what is the purpose of your society? What is the goal of it? And they can't say anything.
Unless there is division of activity, nothing can be done perfectly well. The natural division is there in the body, the head, the arms, the belly and the legs. Similarly, in the social body also there must be the heads, the intelligent class somewhere, Brahman. Then everything will go on smoothly. And at the present moment there is no intelligent class somewhere, or laborer, worker class somewhere, fourth class. No first class, second class. Therefore society is in chaotic condition. There is no brain.
Their only objection, when we present that there's brahmachari, grihastha, vanaprastha, sannyas, then they become automatically hostile because they understand that we're against sense gratification.
Yes. Sense gratification is animal civilization. And sense control is human. Sense gratification is not human. Sense gratification is not human civilization. No. That they do not see. Their central point is sense gratification. That is the defect. They are running on an animal civilization as human civilization. That is the defect.
We see it in the schools.
Sense gratification is animal civilization. And actually they are animals. If they can kill their own child, it is animal. Just like cats, dogs, they kill their own child. What is it? An animal. Who was talking that a child is put into the what is that? Left luggage.
Left luggage lockers. Trivikram Maharaj in Japan. He said over 200,000, not 20,000 babies. They put them in a left luggage locker and leave them.
Bus station, railway station, leave luggage, put it and lock it, and not coming back. Then when there's bad smell, he's going on. This is simply animal food. Taking the last drop of milk from the cow and immediately send it to the slaughterhouse. They are doing it. Before sending to the slaughterhouse, they draw the last drop of milk from the cow and immediately kill him. So, you require the milk. You are taking so much milk. Without milk you cannot. And the animal from whom you take milk is your mother. You forget it. Mother supplies milk. She is supplying milk from her body. And you are killing the mother. Is that civilization? Killing mother. And milk is necessary, therefore you are taking the last drop of it. Otherwise, what is the use of taking the last drop of milk from the cow? It is necessary. So, why not let her live and supply the milk? And you can make hundreds and thousands of very nourishing palatable preparation from milk. Where is that intelligence? Milk is nothing but transformation of the blood. So, instead of taking blood, take the transformation and live nicely like honest gentlemen. No, they are not even gentlemen. Rogues, uncivilized. If you want to take meat, you can kill some insignificant animal like hogs and dogs, which has no use. You can eat them, if you at all eat. That was allowed. Hogs and dogs are allowed. Because no gentleman class will take meat, the lower class. So they were allowed all right, you can take hogs, suppose. Lower class of men, they were taking hogs and dogs. Still they are taking. So if you want meat, you can kill these unimportant animals. Why you are killing the animal whose last drop of milk you require? What is his sense? And as soon as you take Krishna, she killed Putana, but gave her the position of the mother. Because Krishna felt of life, that whatever the Putana's intention may be, but I sucked her breast, so she is my mother. So we are taking milk from the cow. The cow is not my mother. Who can live without milk? And who has not taken cow's milk? Immediately in the morning you require milk. And the animal who is supplying milk, she is not mother. What is the sense? Mother killing civilization. And they want to be happy. And periodically there is great war and wholesale massacre. Reaction.
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,